Foot Locker is a global leader in footwear and apparel, sports and lifestyle. But generally speaking, I would say that we are a very young company, sneaker focused.
We build sneaker culture and we provide the hottest kicks for the youth so they can go out on the street and be as sharp as they can.
This is our main distribution center in Europe, from which we service all of our markets for both stores as well as for our e-commerce business.
The whole process started 5 years ago. We noticed in our previous building we were sort of tied with the old software that we had, the old ways of working. It was really set up as a retail replenishment DC. E-commerce took a big spin and we just weren't ready to cope with the increase in demand. So we started to look at what do we need to do to make ourselves competitive, make sure that we can deliver to our customer in a fast and reliable way. And that's when we started to look into automation.
We wanted to create flexibility, better balance productivity between store demand and as well e-commerce demand. It is also very important to think about efficiency within your facilities, and going to a solution like ours where there's a high level of automation, you also accommodate of course for that challenge.
We've chosen the FASTPICK solution, Adapto shuttle system with goods-to-person stations. At the goods-to-person station we pick both our e-commerce flow as well as the store flow. It's all mixed. The operator can easily pick directly from a tote into a carton. It's very easy for the operator to understand how the flow goes. I think we have a couple of reasons to choose Vanderlande as partner. Throughout the whole design process, thinking with us, you could feel the expertise that they have with the systems, but also with the industry. The flow was clear from the get-go. It provided a very intuitive system. It really made us feel like, okay, we have a partner here that's close, that understands our needs and that has the expertise and the experience to make this project a success.
The nice thing that Vanderlande did for us was at already an early stage is connecting us with reference customers so that we could do visits, learn from them with similar system solutions, gave us a lot of insights as to what are the changes that we need to make in process, in organizational structure, but also in ways of working.
Obviously, any new implementation comes with challenges, right? So it's a new system, it's also a new WM, the two need to work together, and it takes time to learn how to best operate, how to drop your orders from the WM into the automation, make sure that the output is efficient, and that's really a gradual learning process. So also with the help of the Vanderlande Hypercare team, we've been able to get to know the system and really learn how to best use it to get to the maximum output.
We made the choice to take the full service solution from Vanderlande, obviously because we did acknowledge that we didn't have the functional expertise within our organization to manage a highly automated environment as we have it today.
They know their own system, they know what to do from a preventive maintenance point of view, from a monitoring point of view.
We can really focus on operating, so we do what we do best and Vanderlande can do what they do best, and that's maintaining their own technology, because ultimately that's where the expertise is. When you walk the floor, this is a pretty exciting environment to be in. Everybody can see the potential, and it's just an exciting place to work in our sector. It's pretty unique to have a facility on this level. And yeah, we have one and we're working in it, and it's an honor and a privilege, and I enjoy it every day.
It really makes me feel proud that we've accomplished this together. Now we're ready for the next steps for Foot Locker Europe to make us as successful as we need in the current market.